This is the aftermath of Hurricane Sandy in New Jersey. We got hit probably the hardest, next to a couple of states around us. Fence got ripped off. The bleachers moved a good 10 feet. The ones in the grass didn't move. Those bleachers fell over. Bunch of trees over there cracked. I don't know if you can see that tree right about there, above my finger. That one's broken. And then you have all these other trees here, and I'm about to show you what happened. It's still going on here. The hurricane's still going on. It's just now it's light wind and light rain. Probably not going to have school tomorrow just because of all the trees. You can tell that they didn't mow here, and the wind was so powerful that happened. I gotta say, that's a good 30 feet. It flipped over and rolled 30 feet. And then you have this. So many trees. Yeah, last night, my house, 2 trees fell. I guess they were the same roots because they fell the same way and at the same time. If there wasn't a tree to hold up that tree, it could have been close to hitting my house. But I don't think it would have done anything because all the trees are pretty small, except for the ones that are holding up the tree that snapped. You got a big ass tree right there that fell. Another huge ass tree. That one's gigantic. It's probably the tallest one in here. Has no branches on it right now. I'm kind of scared. I don't know why to go in here. As soon as I'm done with this video, I'm probably going to make another one, because this is my mom's phone, and I'm just showing my grandparents, since they're not here, there's a big ass root filled up with water in the bottom there. That's probably what made it fall, loosened up the soil, and just poof. More huge ass roots. I mean, the wind right now is about 15 miles per hour. That's nothing. That's like a normal windy day. Now, you got more puddles. This one probably fell earlier. This one probably fell this morning. I'm surprised that this tree hasn't even fallen, because I come up here a lot because it's where they play football, for like recreational, and that tree always sways. Now, this tree's scary. Not all the way out, hanging on a smaller tree. That was my friend's dad. Yeah, this tree behind us. Big tree in the guy's yard. Look at that. Snapped. I'm not sure if any houses got hit, but there probably was. There's 2 trees that fell and got caught up on that. And then there's, I don't know if that's a branch or part of, I think it's part of a tree that got wedged in there. It snapped and flung forward. That probably could have killed you. There's one almost laying in the road over there. Now this is just freaking amazing. It's like 7 or 8 trees right there. Big root over here. I already showed you it, but I'm amazed like how fucking big it is. People are stopping just to look at the trees. It's ridiculous. There's a big ass root filled up there. Just sheer destruction. This looks like a freaking tornado went through here, but it was just a hurricane. Ripping down 50-foot trees. If I have a tree at my house, it's about 60 feet. It's pretty tall, and I have one that's close to the same size right next to it. And there's a bunch of fucking trees. I don't want to go any further because there's cars coming. This was just a small amount of what happened in New Jersey. This is like one little park. CJ.